Elon Musk leaked December 31st, XRP will hit $10,000. Over the past few months, XRP has significantly strengthened its position in the market. Despite the price drop, which was caused by the fall of the entire cryptocurrency market, XRP was able to cope with this and will regain its position in the near future. Apple's high-profile lawsuit against the SEC is also still ongoing, which also puts a spoke in the wheels. Welcome to the Rich Club channel. Do you think the analysts are right about XRP? Write the answers in the comments. Also in this video we will show the lucky winner of giveaway free 500 XRP, and maybe it will be you, so watch the video carefully until the end. According to data provided by Whale Alert and XRP analytics service Bithump, over the past 20 hours, several top-level digital exchanges and anonymous cryptographic addresses have transferred a staggering figure of 1.686 billion XRP coins. This is the second day in a row that the aforementioned cryptography tracking platform has discovered more than a billion XRP coins transferred by major players of the cryptocurrency market. At the time of writing, XRP, ranked 7th on CoinMarketCap, is changing hands at a price of $0.9196, seeking to restore the $1 zone that it briefly reached on December 23rd. Whale Alert distributed information about 22 XRP transfers, which brought a total of 1.68 billion coins from various digital exchanges. According to Bithump, some of these pieces of XRP have been moved by anonymous digital wallets. Some of the transfers were made in the amount exceeding 100,225 million XRP. One of them was made by the largest Korean exchange Bithump. 225110200 XRP has been moved between wallets labeled unknown. This is the equivalent of $217,828,270. The transfer with the same amount of cryptocurrency, 225110160 XRP, was also carried out by an anonymous wallet to the Binance exchange. Binance then moved 225117280 XRP to another anonymous wallet. However, the Bithump service revealed that this was an internal cryptocurrency transfer by the exchange managed by CZ. Other XRP transfers were made by FTX Exchange, Bitfinex, Binance again, Bitstamp, CoinOne, and Bittrex. Several transactions worth more than 60 million, 79 million, and 95 million XRP were made between anonymous wallets. In total, $1,479 billion worth of XRP has been transferred in the last 20 hours. On December 24th, U.Today reported that a similar amount of cryptocurrency, 1.176 billion XRP, was moved by the giant Ripple ODL platforms and addresses with unregistered owners. Data provided by the Whale Alert blockchain tracking service shows that in the last 20 hours, a staggering number of Ripple-related XRP has been changed by several players in the crypto space. These include the Ripple tech monster, several of its ODL corridors, and popular exchanges such as Binance. A team of cryptographic trackers has spread the information that over the past 20 hours, 23 pieces of XRP, some of them exceeding 200 million XRP, have been moved by large cryptocurrency trading platforms and the technology giant Ripple. Ripple has sent 65 million XRP to its RL18 VN wallet, which is often used to send XRP to external wallets, customers, financial institutions, and exchanges, as well as to sell XRP to cover the company's operating expenses. Later, 10 million coins were transferred from this wallet to a Philippines-based exchange Coins.ph, which operates in the country as an ODL platform. Another Ripple ODL platform, the Bitso Crypto Unicorn, received 200,000,000 XRP from the Bittrex exchange and moved 201,000,000 XRP inside the company. The largest transactions of these 23 transfers were made by anonymous whales and the CoinOne exchange, 225,110,270 and 249,999,980 XRP. This amounts to $227,928,050 and $247,283,180, respectively. Other participants who have sent and received XRP include Binance, transferred more than 120 million XRP, BitGo custodial service acquired by Galaxy Digital this year, FTX Exchange, Kraken and South Korean platform Bithum, transferred 90 million XRP between their wallets. In addition, 191.4 million XRP was moved between anonymous crypto addresses. The total amount of XRP, 1.76 billion, transferred this time is approximately $1,180 billion in fiat currency. In a Twitter thread posted earlier this week, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse said that despite the legal war with the Securities and Exchange Commission, 2021 was the most successful year for the company. According to Garlinghouse, the XRP-based on-demand liquidity solution now accounts for a quarter of the total US dollars transferred by the RippleNet network. In addition, among other achievements, 2 new ODL corridors were opened, in Japan and the UAE. The lawsuit was initiated by the SEC in the last 10 days of December 2020, and it is still not over, as both sides continue to win against each other in court. Ripple Labs managed to stay strong in 2021 despite the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) attack on cryptocurrency, also known as the lawsuit against Ripple and its executives. Now the company dealing with payment solutions is celebrating the strongest year in history. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse announced the achievements and shared some comments on the SEC case. Ripple's first on-demand liquidity (ODL) system was launched earlier this year in the third quarter of 2021. It is a payment solution that allows customers to instantly move money around the world at any time. This service first appeared as a corridor between Japan and the Philippines, which used the XRP token. They also recently announced the first deployment of ODL Ripple in the Middle East. Now, Ripple's report shows that XRP-based liquidity payments account for 25% of the total dollar volume via RippleNet. Garlinghouse noted the results and added that ODL tokens grew 25 times compared to the third quarter of 2020 and by 130% compared to the previous quarter. All this growth has come from outside the US for obvious reasons, Garlinghouse tweeted. The live XRP price today is $0 with a 24-hour trading volume of $3,290 million. We update our XRP to USD price in real time. XRP is down 6.33% in the last 24 hours. Now, it is time to reveal who is the lucky winner of our giveaway. We randomly selected one fan who fulfilled all the conditions. And the winner is Jack. Congratulations, Jack. So XRP Army, let's all congratulate Jack in the comments section below, and tomorrow we will relaunch our weekly giveaway free 500 XRP. Now, let's get back to the video. Do you think XRP can win the SEC? Write the answers in the comments. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.